I'm here today to do a brief instruction to show you how to use software to control data robot. First, you open up software and you will see this interface. On the left side, there are access, field bars, groups, cameras, and the set. You click on Data Robot 800 here, and you will see this new interface. Sub-interface. Click on Virtual and click on Switch On. And the small button on the right side. Then this little button in the middle. Then you can summon the 3D simulation of Data Robot 800 out. You can see it on the top, from the front, and from the side. Virtual function is used to simulate the real work of Data Robot in reality. Users can adjust its working tracks to the exact trajectories. And it has not moved yet. Let's make it move. Then you click on Save and Save here on the button of the left side. Then you hear Paste. This new window shows the program and the data there. Program shows the status of the data robot, and the data shows the coordinate of the axis where they are actually at. Then we